Awareness Science of Grade 2. It's science lecture time. In the name of Allah, the most gracious and the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum students of grade 2. How are you all? Welcome to our science class. As you know, it is science lecture time. I'm your teacher, I'm your science teacher, Miss Sobia Jamshed is here from Umul Qura Public School Junior Branch MTC. Students, as today is Tuesday, 12th January 2021, and our today's topic is the moon and the star. As you all knows, we have done the all exercises of this chapter almost. Just diagrams are left, so today we will draw the diagram from given chapter, the moon and the stars. So our class assignment is drawing and labeling from book page number 103. So all of you take out your science notebook. I will draw the phases of the moon from page number 103. You will follow my video and you will drawing the phases of the moon on your science notebook. Keep it in your mind. You will open that page where we have completed the chapter the moon and the stars. On the empty pages, on the blank pages, on the white pages, you will draw the drawing. Okay students? Okay student, now I am going to draw the phases of the moon. Firstly, you will write on your science notebook blank page phases of the moon. Keep it in your mind. Firstly, you will collect the material for this drawing: pencil, a circle. As you can see, I am drawing a circle, full circle, complete circle, and now I am going to draw another complete circle. As you can see, here are two circles on the screen and one is the half circle. Now I am going to draw, and one another half circle you can see on the screen. Two complete circle and two half circle. Firstly, with half circle I will make a crescent and it will be the half moon. You can see the four phases of the moon on the screen. You can dark your outline by a marker or by any color. But if you will use the black marker for the outline, it will be the best. Okay, my outline is complete. Now I am going to fill up the first phase of the moon with pencil color. As you can see students, now I am going to label these phases of the moon. It is the new moon, and second one is name is the crescent moon. CRESCENT, crescent moon. MOON. Third one is the half moon. HALFMOON, moon. Fourth and the last one is the full moon. FULL, full, MOON, moon. Okay, my dear students, as you have seen my video about the phases of the moon, I hope it will be very helpful for you for drawing your page number 103, phases of the moon, on notebook. It is your home assignment. You will draw these phases of the moon on your science notebook, and you can draw too much best than my drawing and labeling. Okay student, it is your home assignment, drawing and labeling phases of the moon from page number 103. As you can see the picture of the phases of the moon at the screen. So now get ready and complete your work and then send me your work. I will check your work and I will give you the good remarks on your drawing and labeling. Okay students, have a nice day. Allah Hafiz students.